Hello, and thank you for your attendance for this book review. My name is Amy Short, and I am a graduate student at the University of Texas at Arlington School of Nursing. Today we will be discussing Quint Studer's Results That Last, Hardwiring Behaviors That Will Take Your Company to the Top. This assignment is in partial fulfillment of the requirements for nursing leadership in complex healthcare systems. Quint Studer began his career as a special education teacher. Mr. Studer, born with partial deafness, was a special education student himself. He began his career in healthcare at a small hospital. He worked his way from staff member up the ladder. He has held various administrative roles, including president and chief operating officer. In 1999, he developed the Studer Group, a consulting firm focusing on developing a culture of excellence. Mr. Studer has received various prestigious awards, including the Top 100 Most Powerful People, Professional Research Consultants President's Award, and the Society for Healthcare Consumer Advocacy Award. Mr. Studer is a national speaker. Results That Last, using evidence-based leadership, educates readers about the importance of aligning goals, aligning behaviors, and aligning processes. The book is divided into 4 sections: key tactics for identifying high, middle, and low performers, the core, or the commitment to excellence through 9 principles, the employee tactics, showing meaningful purpose, and customer tactics, service, service, service. Each section provides a roadmap for organizations to follow to achieve excellence. This book is really geared towards anyone who is at any level of leadership at any organization, or anybody who's interested in becoming a leader. It's appropriate for any and all organizations, including healthcare. Results That Last is easy to read and understand. From supervisor to manager to director to president, the message and takeaways from this book apply to all. For each of the tactics, there is an example. Managing up is one of the tactics Mr. Studer talks about. It has more meaning and makes a lasting impression whenever we manage up. So to say, this is Sally, she's going to be your nurse today, really doesn't do much for the client, but saying, this is Sally, she's one of our best nurses, and she's going to provide excellent care to you today, holds much more meaning. Having these kinds of examples allows the reader to make a personal connection and with how to best use the tactics. Mr. Studer frequently shares real-life stories and experiences on how to best use the tactics. In addition to offering a way to standardize leadership approaches, there are suggested tools to measure successes. As far as weaknesses, honestly, there was very little in the line of weaknesses in this book, in my opinion. One weakness identified was that the book expects that all levels of management will adopt the standardized approach. It can be difficult to get everyone on board, but organizations who have managed to do this have achieved great success. Mr. Studer certainly states that not all of the tactics need to be introduced at once or followed in any particular order, but readers may find the number of tactics a bit overwhelming. Mr. Studer accomplishes the objectives to educate the reader how to achieve excellence. He provides examples of evidence-based leadership skills to the reader. I found myself examining my own leadership skills and planning to add some of the tactics suggested in this book. It has inspired me to be a better leader and always strive for excellence. Obviously, other readers have recognized the merit in following Mr. Studer's recommendations too. Organizations such as the Cleveland Clinic have adopted the Studer Group approach. Additionally, the Studer Group has been the recipient of the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award for several years. So would I recommend this book? 100% yes. I would definitely recommend this book. Any current leader or aspiring leader can benefit from learning Mr. Studer's approach to achieving excellence. The evidence-based leadership skills presented in this book have been tried and tested and proven to be effective. Achieving excellence can mean many things, but this book offers the ability to achieve excellence for our patients, our staff, our quality and safety, and financials. Now, those are the results we can all live with. Now, if there's any questions, I'm certainly open for that. Thank you.